make pop all day. Hold up, somebody on their way. Hold up, I with a crown all day. Are you on 10 yet? Are you on 10 yet? Wait, are you on 10 yet? Are you on 10 yet? I live on 10. Wait, are you on 10 yet? Are you on 10 yet? Hold up, fuck the place up, fuck the place up, fuck the live on 10. Wait, are you on 10 yet? Are you on 10 yet? I live on 10. Wait, are you on 10 yet? Are you on 10 yet? Hold up, fuck the place 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 up. Fuck up and down.
Hi everyone, my name is TheMaliMilan and I'm lit AF right now because this is a talk through video. I'm so excited to talk to you guys. Like, I just feel like this is so much more intimate. Like, I feel like I know you guys. How are you? Welcome back to my channel if you're returning, if you watched my last video. If not, if you're new, check out my last video and make sure you do subscribe just so that you stay up to date on all my new happenings, my new videos, and yeah. So I'm gonna get into it. I'm not gonna hold you guys up anymore. I know what you're here for. I know you want to see the look. I did already do my brows off camera. I used the Anastasia brow pomade. I'm gonna go ahead and prime my lids. I always make sure to prime my lids. Might even throw on some powder because my lids are very hooded, so if not, it's a mess. I'm moving on to my Morphe palette. I'm just going to place this yellowy beige color and apply that pretty high up just to make sure all my colors are visible. For my next transition shade, I'm using this brown color. It's a little bit deeper than the beige, and just applying that right underneath it. Next, I'm taking the Beige Party Girl palette. I'm using this bright red. Now what I'm doing is basically building up the color. I'm concentrating in that one little pocket there, kind of towards the edge, closest to my lash line. So I'm keeping it right in there just to make it really intense, and then kind of feathering and blending it outwards so it's more blended on the outer edges and more concentrated inward. And we're just going to blend, blend, blend. There's never enough blending, honestly. I'm also taking a fluffier, clean brush and just blending that out, making sure it is fanned out on the outer edges. I'm taking a deeper red and popping that into the V to connect my lash line and the red color. So we're going right underneath the bright red. I'm also going to add in some black just in the corner here. You know, so we add some dimension. Next, what I'm going to do is cut that crease. Yep, we're cutting the crease. Don't be scared. I know it's scary. Cut the crease. Cut it, go right across. Right over all that eyeshadow. Cut it, cut it, cut it. Cut that crease. If you notice, I'm going way above my natural crease line. Once again, my eyes are hooded, so these are just the things that I have to do, and I'm just creating more lid space. Next, I'm going to take this really cool NYX Vivid Brights clay pot thing. It gives me a really pigmented look, like it's shocking. If you want shocking, if you want to look like the sun, this is perfect for it. Next, I'm going to take some of this NYX Mixing Medium. This is a base just to make sure that the surface is tacky and the glitter is not going anywhere. Just like my bad eating habits, not going anywhere. So just to recap, I fast forward and I'm doing the other eye just to go over that. Yeah, but just to show you a better angle of me cutting my crease. just to give you an idea how the shape should go and how it should look, especially on hooded eyes. So I'm going to take this mixing medium. We have to make sure that it does dry first, and then we're going to just pat on all of this luscious glitter. I had to do a close-up of this, and I had to turn my darkness down on my camera just so you can get the full effect of how gorgeous this glitter was. This glitter was, oh. What I'm going to do is just take a very dense brush and pat on pigment onto my lid for a more blended outlook. Of course, this eye is done better because it's done off camera, and when you do things on camera, you forget how to breathe and blend, apparently. Now I'm just going to bring those same colors on my lower lid, my lower lash lid here. Now I did do my wings off camera. I used the Kat Von D tattoo liner. Now I just wanted to bring you in close just so you can get the full effect of this wing. Everything is better with lashes. I threw on these Sephora brand lashes in Hipster 20. Now moving on to the face, I'm going to take the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and just highlight. Next, we're taking the NARS foundation. Just moving on to contouring. Just going to make sure everything is sharp and clean, and then we're going to blend that out. Next, I'm just popping on just a little bit of blush. And also, I'm adding a lot of highlighter. I think everything is better with highlighter. NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Decay. This is how everything turned out. I was actually really surprised. I kind of like this look. I'm kind of feeling it. And I wanted to be extra because nothing wrong with being a little extra. So I took this glitter liner and just kind of outlined the cut crease just to accentuate it, and I brought it over into the red. We're being a little extra today, you know? So about that, I thought I was finished, but I went ahead and switched up my lip color just because I was feeling the brown, but I wanted to see what this red would look like, and I'm kind of feeling the red. So I don't know which one I'm liking more. Both of them are giving me completely different vibes. Both of them are so bomb, like I really can't decide. So I hope you guys like this video. Remember to subscribe so we can meet back here again. And as always, thank you so much for watching.